Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 540M quick attach front loader. Tractor is practically new. It does come with the balance of the John Deere factory warranty. Just a very couple hours on this tractor. I believe it's at like 10 or 15, 20 hours, right in that range. So very, very low hour tractor. And again, it does come with the full balance of the factory warranty, and the 540M loader is also included. It does have the global style hookup for your bucket connection. You can see the bucket has not been used. It does have the front grill guard on it. Paint looks new in the tractor. Has a corner post exhaust. 12.424 front tires, 18.430 rear tires. Looks like running back in the cab. You see the 3-point has not been hooked. Drawbar has not been pinned. 540E PTO. It's got triple remotes. It's about as close to new as we're going to be able to sell you here. A very, very close to new tractor. Inside the cab, it does have the air ride seat for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Has the 24-speed transmission. You have 3 ranges back here, 4 gears on this lever. Gives you a total of 12 speeds, and then you have a power high-low on the black and orange buttons here. The high-low can be shifted without clutching, and that splits every gear, so you've got a total of 24 different speeds. Loader control also within easy reach. Hydraulic, PTO, 3-point controls all located to the right. Up top you have climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Looks new, smells new in here. Looks like we have John Deere warranty till November of 2027. Again, just a couple hours on this machine, just about as close to new as we're going to be able to find for you. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.